Hi guys, this is Steffanie. Welcome to Steffanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Steffanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that. Be sure to click on that all button on that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I want to talk about things that I like, that I purchased in December, January, that I really love, and I just, they've been life changers for me. So these are the things that I have 5, that's 10. I have 5 things that I purchased that I really truly like. My light's on and look kind of dark. No, it's alright. So the first thing, and some is like kitchen household stuff, so pretty much kitchen household stuff. The first thing I purchased is this. This is I think it's for coffee or for your mug warmer, whatever you have in your mug that you drink. But I do not use it for that. I don't drink coffee. I do drink tea, matcha tea mostly. Spearmint, mint teas. I do drink teas. In the wintertime, I drink them more than anything. And I drink iced matcha tea. Matcha lattes is really what I drink in the winter. In the summer, I drink iced ones. In the winter, I drink hot ones. But anywho, we're not talking about that. We're talking about this. I take this thing. Oh, I moved my camera from over there. Anyway, what I use this for is to warm my candles. You know when you use your candles up and they get down and the wick and they no longer burn? This. I take them and I just sit the candle holder, because this is a wide mouth, and to hold those big candles. Let me get one. I liked it so much that I bought another one. I only had bought one, and then I liked it, and I was burning this candle on that one. I just unplugged it. But like, I get my candles from Bath and Body Works usually. Sometimes I get them from TJ Maxx and stuff when I go in, if I smell one that I like. But like, this one had burnt down. Actually, I got this one from Marshall's. This is a white pumpkin, and it smells so good, but it wouldn't burn. The wick wouldn't burn anymore, or like only one would burn and the other one wouldn't, and so it burned unevenly. And see, this one's still hot from where I had it sitting on there warm. But they sit on there perfectly. You see that? So I just put them on there, turn them on, let them get warm, smell up the house, then just turn them on. And they had a little light indicator on there so you won't leave them on. I've never, knock on wood, I've never forgotten left this on. But I don't think it will bother anything, because the mild smelling candles, sometimes I leave them burning all day long. So this one is kind of strong, so I can just turn it on, let it burn for about an hour or two, and turn it off, and it smells for a while, and it's good. So that's my first thing. I'll link it below, because I got it off Amazon, so I'll link it below, an Amazon link for you guys to try it out. The second thing was this little thing. You guys know, like in my videos where I did the cauliflower chicken and then the tofu chicken, I don't like to get that stuff all over my hands. I like to put it in stuff. This is a big one. I think they have small ones, but I bought this thing. You put your batter in the bottom, and then like you put your tofu or your cauliflower on this row, and then you put your top on. Mine was just in some, I shake it up and it was still, and it wasn't separated. This one, you can put it in here. I love this thing. And you just shake it up, let the batter go down, and mix it up and shake it again. And then the batter drips back down to the bottom, and you can just let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then just take it out and put it in the oven. Oven fried or deep fried if you want to fry it in grease. However you want to cook it. It's your kitchen. You do what you want to do. I do what I want to do in mine. I personally like to fry mine. But the second thing I got, well, the third thing that I got that I like. So once I use that, I put this little thing. I got this thing at Costco, baby, life changers. I was using that mat, that silicone mat, but it doesn't get stuff crisp on the bottom. because there's no airflow circulation. This has its own little tray, and it is coated so it's non-stick, and it's like, you know, I don't know what it's made out of. Aluminum, steel, I don't know. That ain't my thing to know. I don't make stuff that I don't need to know. All I need to know is whether it'll work or not, and if it cleans up good. You take your cauliflower chicken, or whatever you want to call it, and put it on this bad boy and spread it out. And just put it, you don't have to flip it or nothing. You flip it if you want to. I don't. What's the purpose? If I want to do all that, I can cook it on top of the stove. So, I put it in this little thing. When I'm finished, you can just wipe this thing off. You ain't got to scrub it. Like when I use my, my tray, I got this one. And I put it on one of those cookie sheet trays. Oh my God, this thing is hard to clean. That stuff be all up in these little crevices and stuff, and you just scrub and with a brush, because once it cooks and cooks, it just cooks on there and you can't get it off. Well, you can, but it takes a lot of work. So this is a game changer. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I will see if I can find it and link it on Amazon, but I got it from Costco. It is the Gotham Steel Pro. That's what it says on here. So I will try to find it on Amazon, and I will link it below. Put that back. Okay, that was my third thing. My fourth thing is this little sprayer right here. This sprayer is a replacement for this. This thing right here drives me absolutely insane. I've dropped it 800 times. It got dents in it. It's disgusting. And you fill it up and you pump the spray. I put my oil in it. I don't use olive oil. Everybody know I use grapeseed oil. Olive oil just burns at 350 degrees, and mostly everything that I cook in the oven is on 400 or higher. So I do not use olive oil because it does not have a high heat content. I use grapeseed oil. So I hate this thing. I spent a lot of money on this little thing. I don't know, paid $20-something for it. I liked it when I first got it because that's all I had, but it drives me insane, the pumping. So I replaced this. I saw somebody using this little thing on YouTube, and they had that spray in it, and they had a link. I bought it, and I absolutely love it because it just sprays like, it's not as fine of a mist as this one, but it's a mist. It's not just a straight one shotter like a regular water bottle sprays, and it works for thicker oils, so I like it. Let me see if I can spray it on something so you guys can see. I don't want to spray right. I use this little thing. It's a piece of cardboard. Oh, see, now it's spraying straight. Anywho, it might be cloth. And then I ain't pushing it the whole way. See? When you push the whole way, it sprays out. And you can just use it to spray on your vegetables and stuff. When you're going to put it in this little tray, you spray it down. And then you put it in the oven and then let it oven fry. So this, I got it on Amazon as well. And I'll link it below because I absolutely love it. And it came with 2 sprayers. And I don't know if one does something different than the other one. They look the same. I don't even know where it was. Oh, it's over there. But I haven't had this long. I probably have used this for, I got it at the end of January, close to the end of January, and I really like it. And that is it besides my water. I've been trying to drink alkaline water, trying to get my stomach together. I have acid reflux and all kinds of allergies. So I used to drink that expensive alkaline water, Essentials brand. That must be so high. And then I started buying the gallon size from Sprouts and drinking that. Costco now has their own brand. The Kirkland Signature, it is, what is it, 9.5? Yep, 9.5. And I've been drinking these. They come, it's a 33.8 ounce bottle. And you get, I think 18 in the pack. Let me see. Y'all know I just love Costco. You get this. It's an 18 pack and 9.5 pH. And the 1 liter bottles, and this 18 bottles cost $9, which is way cheaper than those essential bottles. Because I think those essential bottles are $2 a piece, $2.50. I think you can get 2 for $5, and you can get all of these for $9. $9, which is high for water for some people. Some people, you know, gonna think that's high. I buy regular water too, because I only drink one of these today, and then I drink the regular purified water too that I get from Costco, which you get, I don't know, 32 of them for $2.99, $3.99, whatever it is. So I buy this, 2 of these, and 2 of those a month for my water, because I don't drink water out of the sink unless I boil it, because we don't know what they be doing. Every time you turn around, they like boil your water, something that happened at one of the plants or something. And so I just buy bottled water and drink bottled water. And I really, really, really like this water. It has a good taste to it. So yeah. So those are my 5 things. I can link these. Well, if you have a Costco card, just go on Costco and look. You probably can order it online if you have a Costco card, because they do, I think, ship water. I order a lot of stuff from Costco online that they don't sell in the store. Office supplies, because they don't sell all of their office supplies in the store. So a lot of stuff, their paper that I purchase, I get it from online because they don't have it in the store. And then they have some in some stores and not in other stores. So yeah, so that is it. I might try to do one of these once a month, but I don't know, I don't buy that much stuff. But I just wanted to share this with you guys because I really, really, really enjoy these items. And I thought maybe you guys might like them as well. So those are my 5 favorite things from January that I have been enjoying. And yeah, so thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope that you enjoyed the video. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. You're just watching my videos, or you always watch them, and that little subscribe button is red, click it, because it don't need to be red. That means you have not subscribed. So subscribe. I would love to have you. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.